I bet you didn't know how advanced manufacturing is shaping our future. Imagine a world where the clothes you wear, the cars you drive, and the gadgets you use are all crafted with precision and care, thanks to the marvels of advanced manufacturing. Manufacturing is the heartbeat of our economy, touching every facet of our lives. Over the centuries, it has evolved, embracing new technologies and adapting to ever-changing demands. Today, we stand on the cusp of a new era, one that promises to revolutionize the way we create and innovate. Picture the Industrial Revolution, a time when factories transformed our world, bringing about unprecedented growth and change. The mass production techniques of that era laid the groundwork for modern manufacturing. But those early factories were often harsh and dangerous, with long hours and little regard for worker safety. Fast forward to today, and technology is reshaping manufacturing in ways we could only dream of. Automation and robotics have given rise to highly efficient production lines, churning out goods at speeds and scales once thought impossible. These advancements have not only boosted productivity, but also enhanced the quality and consistency of products. And now, manufacturers can cater to diverse consumer needs with unprecedented customization and personalization. Welcome to the world of advanced manufacturing. This new paradigm leverages cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, and 3D printing. These innovations are creating smarter, more adaptable production systems that can swiftly respond to market changes and consumer preferences. Advanced manufacturing isn't just about speed and cost, it's about making things better and more sustainably. Imagine robots equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, performing complex tasks with precision and reliability. These robots work alongside human operators, enhancing their capabilities and reducing the risk of injury. Advanced manufacturing techniques also help reduce waste and energy consumption, paving the way for a more sustainable future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the heart of this transformation. AI technologies are being woven into every aspect of manufacturing, from design and prototyping to production and quality control. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can uncover patterns and insights that humans might miss, optimizing operations, predicting maintenance needs, and improving product quality. Think of AI as the brain behind the machines, helping them learn and make decisions like humans. Machine learning algorithms train robots to recognize and respond to different objects, enabling them to perform tasks once deemed too complex for automation. AI also powers predictive maintenance systems, anticipating equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime, and boosting efficiency. This technology is revolutionizing factory operations. Smart factories are equipped with interconnected systems that communicate in real time, allowing for seamless coordination and control. These systems monitor and adjust production processes on the fly, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. Digital twins, virtual replicas of physical assets, simulate and optimize manufacturing processes, driving continuous improvement and innovation. The result? Smarter, more efficient factories. By harnessing the power of data and advanced analytics, manufacturers gain deeper insights into their operations, making more informed decisions. This boosts productivity and enables agile, responsive manufacturing systems. Manufacturers can better meet the demands of a rapidly changing market, delivering higher quality products to consumers. In this journey, we'll explore the future of advanced manufacturing. We'll dive into the latest trends and technologies shaping the industry, from AI and robotics to IoT and 3D printing. We'll also examine the challenges and opportunities ahead, and the potential impact on workers, businesses, and society. By understanding these developments, we can better prepare for the future and harness the full potential of advanced manufacturing. Join us as we uncover how technology and AI are making a difference, from boosting efficiency and cutting costs to enabling new levels of customization and innovation. Advanced manufacturing is set to transform the industry in profound ways. Let's embark on this exciting journey to discover how advanced manufacturing is building a smarter future for all of us. What's something people don't know about automation in manufacturing? Imagine a world where machines and robots take over the mundane tasks humans once did. This is the reality of modern manufacturing, where automation is revolutionizing the industry. Picture a factory floor, bustling with advanced machinery, tirelessly working around the clock. Robots handle repetitive tasks with precision and speed, never needing a break. They venture into hazardous environments, ensuring human safety. This transformation makes factories not only safer, but also more productive. With automation, companies can produce goods faster and at a lower cost, paving the way for a new era in manufacturing. I bet you didn't know how revolutionary the Internet of Things is in factories. Imagine a world where machines and factories can talk to each other. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, thanks to the Internet of Things, or IoT. Picture this: machines and devices connected to the Internet, creating a network of smart devices that share information and work together seamlessly. These machines communicate with each other, exchanging data and instructions in real time, optimizing production processes like never before. Imagine machines that can send alerts, share performance metrics, and even request maintenance when needed. It's like they're having their own conversations. In this smart factory, IoT sensors are the eyes and ears, collecting data from machines. They monitor parameters like temperature, pressure, and vibration to ensure everything runs smoothly. This treasure trove of data is a goldmine for factory managers. By analyzing it, they can spot bottlenecks, predict maintenance needs, and fine-tune production schedules. Imagine a sensor detecting when a machine is about to break down. It monitors wear and tear and alerts the maintenance team before a failure occurs. This preemptive maintenance saves time and money. Predictive maintenance not only reduces downtime, but also extends the lifespan of machinery, leading to significant cost savings. And it's not just the machines that benefit. IoT technology empowers factory workers by providing them with real-time data and insights, enabling quick, informed decisions that boost productivity and safety. The future of manufacturing is bright, smart, and connected, all thanks to the Internet of Things. As IoT technology continues to evolve, factories will become even more automated and intelligent, driving innovation and growth in the industry. I bet you didn't know how much data drives decisions in modern factories. Imagine a world where factories think for themselves. In this world, smart factories are the pioneers, using data and technology to make every decision count. Picture a place where every machine, product, and person is interconnected. Here, information flows seamlessly in real time, creating a symphony of efficiency. This constant stream of data fine-tunes production, slashes waste, and elevates quality to new heights. These smart factories are not just efficient, they are agile and quick to adapt to customer demands. Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where innovation and technology redefine how we create. You need to hear this if you're a manufacturing enthusiast. Welcome to Section 5, the AI Revolution. How artificial intelligence is transforming manufacturing. Imagine walking into a factory where robots and machines seem to have a mind of their own. This is the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI, at work. These machines learn from data and make decisions, just like humans. Picture factory workers collaborating with AI systems, creating a seamless and efficient production line. AI optimizes production schedules, predicts maintenance needs, and even controls robots, making everything run like clockwork. The result? Factories that are smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Everybody is looking for ways to integrate AI into their operations. Welcome to Section 6, where we dive into real-world examples of AI in action. Imagine walking into a factory where robots and AI systems work seamlessly alongside human workers. Take Siemens, for instance. They harness the power of AI to fine-tune the performance of their gas turbines. This not only boosts efficiency, but also significantly cuts down on emissions, making their operations greener. Then there's Bosch, a company that leverages AI for impeccable quality control. Their AI-driven systems ensure that every product meets the highest standards, guaranteeing top-notch quality for their customers. I don't think people understand the true potential of advanced manufacturing. Let's take a journey into the future of this transformative industry. Imagine a world where manufacturing is brighter than ever before. Advanced technologies like AI, IoT, and automation are not just trends. They are the future, reshaping the industry as we know it. Picture factories becoming smarter, more efficient, and incredibly sustainable. Envision robots working hand-in-hand with humans, creating a seamless blend of man and machine. 3D printing will revolutionize production, making it more accessible and versatile. And the dream of personalized products will become a reality, easier to achieve than ever before. Why are there not more people talking about the challenges and opportunities on the horizon? Imagine a world where technology advances at lightning speed, but with every leap forward, new challenges emerge. In the heart of bustling factories, engineers and workers often find themselves in a race against time, grappling with unexpected technical issues. These hurdles, ranging from complex manufacturing glitches to ethical dilemmas, demand immediate attention to keep the wheels of progress turning smoothly. Picture robotic arms and AI-driven machinery revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape. These intelligent machines, while groundbreaking, bring forth a new set of questions. How do we ensure they are used ethically? How do we protect data privacy and prevent job displacement? The answers lie in our commitment to responsible innovation, ensuring these technologies align with our ethical standards. Now envision a classroom where workers are learning the skills of tomorrow. As technology evolves, so must the workforce. Continuous education and training become the bedrock of a future-ready workforce, empowering individuals to adapt and thrive in a tech-driven world. This not only mitigates the risk of job displacement, but also opens doors to new opportunities. But here's the exciting part. These challenges are not just obstacles. They are opportunities in disguise. Engineers and innovators, working with cutting-edge technologies, often find themselves on the brink of groundbreaking discoveries. By tackling these challenges head-on, they unlock new possibilities and drive progress in ways we never imagined. The rise of new technologies also heralds the birth of new industries and job opportunities. Innovative manufacturing processes and tech startups are the harbingers of a future brimming with potential. These advancements not only streamline production, but also pave the way for entirely new sectors, fostering economic growth and creating a plethora of job opportunities. By embracing innovation, we can create a better future for everyone. The key to navigating the challenges and seizing the opportunities of the future lies in our ability to innovate and adapt. By fostering a culture of innovation and continuously seeking out new ways to improve and evolve, we can build a future that is not only technologically advanced, but also sustainable and inclusive. Together, we can create a world where everyone benefits from the advancements in technology and manufacturing. Everybody is looking for the next big thing in manufacturing. Welcome to the final chapter of our journey into the future of making things. Imagine a world where advanced manufacturing transforms every aspect of how we create. With technology and AI at the helm, this change is not just a dream, but a reality. These innovations pave the way for a more efficient, sustainable, and prosperous future. Together, we can shape the future of manufacturing and build a better world for everyone. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more insights into advanced manufacturing.